Jules. Welcome back. I'm a weirdo, and that's okay. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to get free stuff. Free stuff. Free. F-R-E-E. Underline. Cap. Like free stuff. If you're interested in learning how to get some free stuff, whether it's makeup, skincare, hair care, anything, then just keep watching. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, become a Julesy. We're almost 70 Julesy strong. I'm so excited. That's like really little, but we're still like, I'm happy. Like, my little family is getting a little bigger each day. I love it. Back on track. If you are curious to see how in the world do you get free makeup, I'm going to show you, and we'll get into the video. So, how do you get free stuff? How do you get free makeup? How do you get free skincare, hair care, body care? How do you get it? Well, you have to download this app. It's called Influenster. So you have this little app, Influenster, this little orange one. You click on it once you download it and you create a profile, and when you go to your page, this is what you'll see. I have been doing this for quite some time. It's it's not necessarily a program or a membership, but like literally you just sign up. It doesn't cost you anything, like legit nothing. And all you do is review stuff. That's it. That's legit it. So easy. So this box that I'm about to show you and unbox with you is called the Galentine's VoxBox. You click on it and usually something will pop up and it says you have to make sure you are letting everyone know that you're getting this for free or complimentary in order to test out these products. So how do you get these products? Well, all you do is review items that you love, you didn't like, things you do like, but you're kind of just whatever. Anything that you use in your day-to-day life, your day-to-day routine, whatever, whether it's toothpaste, shampoo, conditioner, dish soap, literally the most random stuff. Your everyday makeup go-tos, like mascara, foundation, powder, blush, lipstick, anything that you want. The more often you review items, the more likely you are to get a what's called VoxBox. So, let me show you what I got in my VoxBox. I've been reviewing stuff, I want to say 2 years. I don't review as much now because work is just so hectic, and on my free time I like to do YouTube videos. So literally I've just reviewed like Jeffree Star makeup items, my shampoo, my conditioner, my hairspray, my Olay daily facials, and things like that. It's literally it. If you guys want to get free makeup and get a free box of stuff, just literally go on influencer.com, whatever, or download the app, make an account, and just start reviewing stuff. Eventually they'll send you an email asking, would you like to participate in this VoxBox? If so, click yes by whatever date, and you'll take a little survey, and in that survey it determines whether or not you qualify for that box. But if it's something that will actually interest you and fit your likes and dislikes, if that makes sense. This month I got the Galentine's VoxBox. It's actually like this big box. It says it's yours, share it with the world. So that's what I'm gonna do. When you open the box, it says hashtag Galentine's VoxBox. It says get started, log into your Influencer app and check out the Galentine's VoxBox campaign. 2, test out your products, and 3, post on your socials using hashtag Galentine's VoxBox. And it says here in this corner, you must disclose that you are getting it for free or complimentary in order to test out products. You're not paid. You're not just getting this just because, like, you're getting it to test out the products, and you have to review it. If you don't review your items, they're not going to send you any more VoxBoxes. I know. But That's what you get. If you review items, you get more items. If you don't review items, they're like, bye, Felicia. So, yeah. So the first item that is in my Galentine's VoxBox is the Hello, I'm Eva NYC card. And it's all about the Queen Glitter Spray for hair and body. Calling all disco queens. This is what the bottle looks like. It's like an aerosol can, like hairspray. I'm obsessed with this hollow down here on the bottom of the bottle. Like, hello. I mean, can you tell with my backdrop? Like, hello. Obsessed. So you get 1 fluid ounce in this bottle, and it says Queen Glitter Spray Radiant Shimmer Instant Party for hair and body. Okay. Directions: shake before use, hold 6 to 10 inches away from hair or skin, and lightly spray. You can build up to achieve your desired shimmer level. This glitter spray rinses out after 1 wash, and glitter may transfer onto clothing. I mean, all glitter does. Like, glitter is glitter, people. The card that I got, this card, has everything on the back, kind of just like a BoxyCharm. It says this spray retails for $12, and it's a lightweight non-sticky formula that contains ultra-fine glitter particles that add a shimmery glow to your pre-party look. Infused with argan oil and caravis protein complex, the salon quality formula delivers optimal anti-breakage benefits while sassing up your style. I don't know how often I'm going to use this. I don't live in California, and I'm not planning on going to Coachella or any music festivals or whatever, but you know, maybe for like a look that I come up with. Let's test it out. I want to test it out on my hand. There's nothing on there, so we'll shake it off.
Oh God.
Yeah, that definitely gets on your clothing. You can see it a little. Let me see if I can get the flashlight on my phone to bring it up. Oh, you can see it. That is so cool. Look at that. That is so cool. I don't know how often I will use this glitter, but you know, if I need glitter to like amp my look up, then I will definitely use it. And it's not sticky at all. It actually feels like really smooth. It does transfer when you touch your skin, but it's kind of cool. Next up in this box is the Eva NYC Therapy Session Hair Mask. It has caravis protein and argan oil, deeply conditions, repairs, and strengthens for all hair types. I don't think I've ever used a hair mask. I'm not really familiar with them either. Let's see. It says there's 2 US fluid ounces in here, so that's kind of a lot. It retails for $15, and it says a deep conditioning treatment that repairs and strengthens dry and damaged hair. Argan oil feeds hair with vitamins and nutrients, while caravis delivers optimal anti-breakage benefits and is scientifically proven to dramatically increase strength and flexibility. I don't know. I don't really know if I will end up using this. Next up on my card is the Pretty Vulgar Faux Reals Extreme Volume Mascara. This retails for $23. This little thing is little. Muy poquito. Look at it. It's so little. An intense black, long-lasting mascara that instantly increases fullness and delivers dramatic false effect lashes with just 1 swipe. That is a claim, honey. Like, damn. That's a claim, okay? I'm okay with my L'Oreal Lash Paradise. That's $8 or so. And it's also waterproof. I don't know with this because being a chef and being around a steam table and really hot items that makes you like you sweat, I don't know if I would want to wear this at work. So, I don't know. We'll try it at home, I guess. Ooh, That wand is big. This reminds me of the Better Than Sex mascara wand, I think. That's what it is. That is definitely very black, for sure. And I think I understand why, because there's fibers in here. Now I know why it's a little more expensive than normal. There's actually like little lashes in here, like if you were to have a brow fiber mascara sort of thing, and it kind of reminds me of that. So we'll have to give it a go. Maybe in like a first impressions video of like all this makeup and beauty products that I'm getting in the mail. So we'll see. My next item in this Galentine's VoxBox is the Nature Box body wash. It's with 100% cold pressed oil, and that oil is almond oil. So that's a nice pretty big pink bottle. There is 13 fluid ounces, and it says it's suitable for sensitive skin. I have sensitive skin to a point. So this body wash retails for $7.99, and it says an exciting beauty brand for skin and hair that combines effective beauty care with cold pressed oils and select sustainably sourced ingredients. I want to smell this and see what it's like. That smells legit just like almond extract. I don't know if this is true almond oil, but god dang. That is, I don't know. It smells really good though. I'll have to keep it away from John because he is actually allergic to most tree nuts. So we just try to keep him away from like all of them. I don't need him going into like a super dramatic allergic reaction that leaves us going to the hospital, and we're gonna keep it away from him, okay? It says on the back of the bottle, created without sulfates, silicones, parabens, and artificial colorants. It says it includes 100% cold pressed natural oil. It's a vegan formula and 25% recycled plastic bottle. That's pretty cool. It also says enjoy the luxury of a body wash made with 100% cold pressed almond oil and the antioxidant vitamin E. Your sensitive skin will feel soft and moisturized. Ooh, this last item I'm really, really excited for. Last item is Nature's Bounty Beauty Even Beauty Dietary Supplement. The card says Nature's Bounty Beauty Gels, and they retail for $20. It says amplify your daily beauty routine with new Nature's Bounty Beauty Gels, a premium line of scientifically formulated beauty supplements that provide key vitamins and nutrients to support beauty from the inside out. I'm really excited for this because I've actually been looking into getting a supplement that helps your skin and your hair and all of that. This says supports an even skin tone and smooth, radiant skin with Lutamax 2020 and vitamin A. You get 90 soft gels, which is a 45-day supply. So you're supposed to take 2 a day. But yeah, that's really cool. I don't leave the house without like makeup and putting myself together. That's just how I was raised, and that's what I feel comfortable with. It's like I need to be put together all the time. I'm a weirdo. I'm definitely really excited to see what this does for my skin because I've wanted to do something like this for a while. There is a brand called Alani. It's this fitness couple that created this company, and they have a balance supplement. It's actually called Balance, and it evens out your skin tone. It helps with your hormones. It helps with your hair. It literally helps with everything, and it makes your skin like glow. You literally glow from within, and I've really wanted to try it out, but the fact that I got these babies in this box, I will definitely give it a go and probably do a before and after post somehow, or just like an update on the video. I don't know, but I'm really excited about these. So that is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing and tutorial on how to get free stuff. But like I said, you're not getting it just for free just because. Like, you have to review this stuff in order to get more stuff. And in your reviews, you need to say, I got this for free or complimentary for reviewing purposes. That way, you don't get in trouble, okay? If you guys like this video, then please give it a thumbs up. If you have ever tried the Influenster website or app and reviewed stuff, leave me a comment down below. If you've gotten a VoxBox, comment down below and let me know what you got, and if you liked it or not. I would definitely love to chit chat with you. And also, subscribe to my channel, guys. Like, subscribe. If you've already made it to the end of this video, subscribe to my channel. You obviously like me. Come on, I'm cute. Thanks again for watching this video. I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. I hope you guys are having a beautiful day wherever you are in this world, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!